Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share Amazon Music Unlimited with your family. This is a great way to give everyone in your household access to millions of songs while splitting the cost, making it much more affordable than individual subscriptions. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page, click on it and type Amazon Music, then hit Enter. This will take you to Amazon's music section where you can explore all the available subscription options. Now, once the search results appear, direct your attention to the top menu. Hover your mouse over Amazon Music Unlimited. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, hover your mouse over Family Plan. This is the specific option that allows multiple family members to enjoy the service together. Once you see Family Plan highlighted, go ahead and click Get Started. You'll be taken to a new page that provides more details about the family plan and its benefits. Here you'll see a button that says Sign Up Now. Click on it to begin the subscription process. This is where you'll start setting up the payment information needed to activate your family plan. Next, you'll need to add a payment method. Amazon gives you two choices here. You can either enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, or you can add a new credit or debit card. For this example, we'll navigate to the option that says Add New Credit or Debit Card. Once you've selected that option, you'll be asked to fill in several fields. First, enter your name on card exactly as it appears on your card. Then enter your card number in the designated field. After that, provide the expiration date and the security code, which is usually found on the back of your card. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment issues down the line. After you've filled in all the required details, click Add Your Card. This will securely save your payment information to your Amazon account. Now continue the process by following any additional prompts that appear on your screen. Amazon may ask you to confirm a few details or review the terms of the family plan before finalizing. And there you have it. Once everything is confirmed, your Amazon Music Unlimited family plan will be activated. Keep in mind that this plan allows up to 6 family members to stream music simultaneously, so everyone can enjoy their favorite tracks at the same time without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.